release conditions, you can use rules to release content to the students. Let's take a look on the course content page. You can access release conditions from the visibility setting for each item and folder in your content list. You can also find visibility settings at the top of your screen when you open course content items. Open the item you want to edit and select Release Conditions in the visibility menu. Here you can select which course members and groups can have access to this content. By default, the All Members option is selected. If you want to change this, you can select the second option to Specific Members or Groups. Now, two menus appear. The first one lets you select one or several members who will be the only ones with access to this content. The second menu lets you select a group in your course, and the members of that group will be the ones with access to that content. Using the date and time option, you can select release an item or folder on an exact date or during a defined period of time. Using the performance option, you can release content based on a student's score or a completion of an item in your course. Choose a graded item or a grade book column, which is an overall grade or an attendance that you want to base the rule on. The grade requirement list appears with a range of scores based on the item's grade schema in a maximum point value. For example, you may want to release content only after a student has received the 70% or above on a previous assignment. You can also choose custom range from the grade requirement list. This setting allows you to select your grading schema and set the minimum and maximum score that a student must achieve. After you set your options, you can also choose to show or hide content for students before they have access. If you choose to show an item to a student before they are able to access it, the date and the time and the conditions they must satisfy before they can access the content are shown. To remove this rule, simply clear the checkbox, and then you are finished setting your options. Select Save.